guys, this is Anisha. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to get ready for college with Sugar Pop. Today's look is going to be very easy yet a bit poppy, as you can already see. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. I'm starting off by using SPF 30 BB cream. It is lightweight and has blendable formula which gives me a natural finish, and it also protects from harmful sun rays with its inbuilt SPF 30 protection. Next, I'm using Longwear compact powder. It has an ultra lightweight formula that offers medium coverage and sets my base makeup in place. Then I'm going to apply Sugar Pop Ultra HD blush. It gives a healthy pop of color to my cheeks. I've also blended the blush on my eyes to give them a pop of color, just perfect for everyday college look. Now I'm going to apply a graphic cat eyeliner, and for that I'm using Sugar Pop matte eyeliner in the shade blue, and I must say that the shade is richly saturated with a flexible tip that gives me an ultimate control. Also, it quickly dries up and gives me a true matte finish. Completing the eye makeup by using their Volumizing mascara, it definitely adds an extra definition to my lashes. It also features a clump-free and smudge-free formula. Now I'm going to line my lips by using their Velvet Matte Lip Liner in the shade Beige Vibes. It gives a nice creamy matte finish, and I'm finishing off by using Matte Lip Color by Sugar Pop in the shade Rosewood. I'm putting it only in the center of my lips to give a gradient effect. And that's all about it. You can recreate this look in just 5 or 7 minutes and can literally flaunt in college or anywhere you go. So this was my college look. I absolutely love the finish and the final look. If you liked watching this and want more such amazing pop star looks, make sure to subscribe. Also, don't forget to like, share and comment down below what more you would like to watch. Until next time, bye!